Your investment portfolio is complete when it has a stable foundation. Government securities offer a stable income opportunity that helps protect your capital. Capital is protected and you get a fixed income in return backed by the government. Now you can do just that with RBI Retail Direct. RBI Retail Direct is the medium that gives you direct access to the thriving government securities markets in India. Owned by the Reserve Bank of India, developed and managed by the Clearing Corporation of India. RBI Retail Direct enables you to open a gilt account directly with the Reserve Bank of India. You get investment access to both the primary and secondary government securities markets. Participate in primary auctions and invest directly in government securities issued by the government without any broker or intermediary at no cost. Fund your bid simply through net banking, UPI mandate, NACH, and NEFT or RTGS. Trade in the secondary market, buy and sell anytime you need liquidity with other market participants such as institutional and retail investors. Whatever your financial goal, there's a perfect fit. In the primary market, you can choose from a wide range of financial instruments. For long-term stable income, choose stated government securities and state government securities. For short-term investments, choose treasury bills. Invest in strips for predictable returns. Sovereign gold bonds gives you returns linked to gold minus storage worries. Earn additional yield spread by investing in floating rate savings bonds 2020 in an online mode. RBI Retail Direct isn't just one product. It's a complete investment toolkit that empowers you to invest in India's thriving government securities markets through a wide range of instruments tailored to your investment needs, while delivering returns backed by the government. With no middlemen, no intermediaries, and no charges, an end-to-end digital experience. RBI Retail Direct. Safe, simple, direct. Invest now. For more details, visit our website www.rbiretaildirect.org.in.